In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and simple step on how to fix Candy Crush Saga black screen on Android device. If you're experiencing a black screen issue in Candy Crush Saga on your Android device, then here are several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to force close the Candy Crush Saga app completely. Simply tap on the app switcher button at the bottom left and then drag the app card for Candy Crush Saga. Push the app card for Candy Crush. Simply go ahead and swipe up the Candy Crush Saga application to close it away. You can also go ahead and close off any other application that is running on the background, and after you are done with it, clear the app cache and data. Go and tap open Settings from your Android phone, and then from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps displayed on the screen, look for Candy Crush Saga and tap on it. Now in the app info page, tap on the storage button and click on Clear Cache at the bottom right, which will delete your cache data from your application. And then tap on Clear Data at the bottom left, but remember that you'll need to log into your Candy Crush Saga game again by entering your credentials. So make sure you have your credentials handy and are ready for logging into your account. If you're sure, tap on OK. And then after clearing the data for your application, launch Open Candy Crush Saga game from the app drawer and you should be able to fix the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to check for the app update. Check if you are using an outdated application, which might be the main reason for the problem. Go ahead and tap Open Play Store and then go to the search box and type in Candy Crush. Once you find the Candy Crush Saga game, tap on it and then look for an update button on this page. If you only see the uninstall and play button, it means that your Candy Crush Saga game is up to date. But if you see an update button, tap on update to get the latest version of Candy Crush on your mobile device. Once you update your application, tap the play button to launch Open Candy Crush Saga and you might be able to fix your issue right away. If the problem still continues, the next thing you can do is to update your Android operating system. Simply go and tap Open Settings app from the app drawer and in the settings menu, scroll down and look for Software Update button and tap on it. Now, tap on Download and Install and check for latest update for your Android operating system. If your software is up to date and you don't need an update right now, you'll be able to see this interface. But if your software needs an update, you should be able to see Download and Install button for the available software on this page right at the bottom. Simply update to the latest version of your software and then you should be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Candy Crush Saga black screen error. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.